Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I cut out the Emily Tote by Moremeknow. Here I'm cutting out the exterior of the bag. This is considered the print fabric. The bag pattern actually works very well with printed fabrics and coordinating contrasting fabrics as well. So here I'm just cutting up the actual top portion of it, and then I'm marking out where I will be putting my strap connectors. Templates make this process so easy, and I get my templates from that template shop. Now see, you're going to actually see here where I am cutting the recessed zipper, and I like to make sure that I have one solid piece and then cut it in half, so then that way it matches up and it lines up really nicely for the recessed zipper. Now the bottom portion of the bag, which is the accent piece, has three pieces to it. It's a front and back of the accent piece and then the base of the bag. I like to use all the same fabric for this portion. It just makes it look really uniform. And if you're joining me for the first time, welcome aboard. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back and supporting my journey. The lining accent pieces can be used with the exterior fabric, lining fabric, or the accent fabric. I'm using the accent fabric today. I think it really makes everything kind of pop and stand out. I'm using my rotary cutter and a ruler just to cut everything out and make nice straight lines. This process is actually very easy and fast when I'm using my templates. I think that this bag took me all of 30 minutes to cut out completely, and it's a very easy and fast sew. I'll have the sewing video up shortly. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share the love. Don't forget to make sure you hit the notification button, so then that way you are informed when I upload a new video. I have a question for all of my sewing friends out there. What is your favorite tote bag pattern? I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Leave your answer in the comment section below. Alright, so now we're going on to the lining fabric pieces. So the lining I'm using is OtterTex waterproof canvas. The color is wine. It blends very well to the exterior of the fabric. It makes it look really nice. I like using colorful linings for my bags. The lining pieces consist of three pattern pieces, which is the main lining piece, the recessed zipper lining, and then the pocket piece. I like to use the base pattern piece as a starting off point to make my cargo pocket. I make it about an inch or two taller. So now I'm going through and making sure I have all of my pattern pieces and putting anything that needs exteriors and lining pieces together. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.